Leave it to me. The little panda was crushed by a tree. He needs help.
I am Excavator. I will clean up the rocks.
Install handles. Let's move the big tree. Yeah! Yay! We rescued the little panda. Mimi is trapped in the basement. She needs our help.
I am Excavator. I will break the slate.
Install drills. Install shovels. Clean up the rocks. Crane. I will open the manhole cover. Inflate the safety cushion. Send the survival kit to the basement. Life-saving equipment for Mimi. Rotate the winch to send Mimi to the ground. Construction.
I am Excavator. I will demolish the damaged house.
The house is badly damaged. Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet, can you help me rebuild the house?
No problem. Leave it to me.
Install drills. Install shovels.
mixer truck. I can make concrete.
Add some sand. Add some cement. Add some water. Turn on the switch. Turn on the switch. Lay concrete on the ground. I am Crane. I can hoist the house.